A battered Tamil Nadu braces for more rain fury as the IMD has predicted heavy rainfall till November 29th. A red alert has now been issued across districts. Here's more.
Tamil Nadu is having an extended period of misery because of rainfall. Several districts have been pounded by rainfall in the last 48 hours, badly disrupting traffic and causing massive waterlogging.
We are at
Vengivasal main road, an area in Santoshpuram, which is in the southern part of Chennai city. In the northern part, around 40.7 millimeters of rain was received overnight. Similarly, in Chennai's Mambalam, around 62.3 millimeters of rainfall was received. The bad news is that Chennai and 22 other districts are expected to get more rainfall for the next 5 days at least.
All the roads are flooded. There are no way to go. We wish cooperation will take action.
But if you see, எல்லாருக்கும் இது பண்ணிதாக ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிதாக இப்போ நம்மளும் கொஞ்சம் இது பண்றது கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி மட்டும் தான் கொஞ்சம் இதுவாகுது. மற்றபடி எந்த பிரச்சனையும் கிடையாது. இந்த தண்ணி சுத்தி இப்படி தான் வருது. இங்கிருந்து அங்கே இது பண்றாங்களே அது சுத்தி இப்படி தான் வருது. மற்றபடி எந்த பாதிப்பும் கிடையாது. இந்த தண்ணி தான் மக்களுக்கு பிரச்சனையாகுது.
The Met Department has issued a red alert till 29th November in Villupuram, Puducherry, Kudalore, Mayiladuthurai, Karaikal, Nagapattinam, Thanjavur, Tiruvarur, Pudukkottai and Ramanathapuram.
Considering the rainfall occurrence earlier, soil saturation, moisture conservation, as well as the continuance of rainfall activity, red alert is given for the coastal districts and as well as orange alert is given for adjoining districts.
A rain holiday has also been declared across these districts.
We are currently at Alwarpet, which is a very important road in Chennai's heart of the city itself, and what we can see here is heavy waterlogging here. We can see the difficulty with which four-wheelers, two-wheelers and even general public walking in this region are facing.
The National Disaster Response Force teams have been stationed and several shelters opened in Chennai.
We can see how things are extremely difficult, and the only hope is that officials will try to come and bring things into control in the coming days. But at this point of time, things aren't that good for people in Chennai and the neighboring areas of Tamil Nadu. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshana for India Today.